Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a vitamin E capsule on your face. First, ensure your face is clean and free of makeup or impurities. Use your regular gentle cleanser and rinse well. Next, gently pat your skin dry with a soft towel, but don't make it completely dry. A little dampness is fine. Finally, have one vitamin E capsule ready along with a sterilized pin or needle for easy opening. Now let's apply the vitamin E oil. Take your sterilized pin and carefully puncture one end of the capsule. Squeeze the rich, golden oil directly onto your clean fingertips. Then, using gentle, upward circular motions, massage the oil evenly across your face and neck. Pay extra attention to any dry patches or areas needing extra care. Allow the oil to absorb for about 15 to 20 minutes. Using vitamin E oil can offer several benefits for your skin. It's known for its moisturizing properties, helping to hydrate dry skin and promote a smoother texture. Many people find it helps reduce the appearance of minor blemishes and fine lines over time. However, always perform a small patch test on your arm before applying it to your entire face to ensure you don't have any adverse reactions. For optimal results, you can incorporate vitamin E oil into your skincare routine 2 to 3 times per week. Many find it most effective as an overnight treatment, allowing the oil to deeply nourish your skin while you sleep. Just remember to cleanse your face thoroughly in the morning. Also, for other great deals and to grab a little Trees Black Ice air freshener for your car, check out the link in the description below. It's a simple way to keep things fresh.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.